Welcome to this video on how to import and adapt the SSL certificate in IIS Manager. By the end of this video, you will learn how to import an SSL certificate, map it in the IIS Manager, and adapt the SSL settings to use the Tosca Server with an HTTPS binding in order to transfer data. Before you proceed with this video, please ensure to meet the prerequisites to use the Tosca Server with HTTPS binding. We recommend that you watch the videos mentioned in the description to completely understand the concepts in this video. Let's begin. First, you need to import the SSL certificate that you received from the Certification Authority or CA in your server machine. For this, go to the Start menu and search for Manage Computer Certificates under the Control panel and launch it. The Certificates window then appears. From the left panel, select the folder Trusted Root Certification Authorities and then the Certificates folder. This is where you will see all your present certificates. To import the certificate into Manage Computer Certificate, navigate to the location of the SSL certificate you saved, right-click it, and select Install PFX. In the Certificate Import Wizard window, select Local Machine as the store location and click Next to continue. In the subsequent window, click Next to confirm the certificate that you have opened and want to import. Now enter a password for it to enable the private key protection. After entering the password, under Import Options, make sure you check the box for Mark this key as exportable. This ensures that when you copy the certificate, the key is copied along with it. Now click Next and under Certificate Store, choose the option Place all certificate in the following store. Then click the Browse button and choose the Trusted Root Certification Authorities folder. Click OK and then click Next. Now click Finish to import the certificate and you will see a success message once it's done. To verify that the certificate has been imported, go back to the Trusted Root Certification Authorities folder, refresh the page, and you will find the certificate in the folder. Once done, please ensure to copy the certificate to the personal folder as well. This is because the IIS Manager detects the certificates from there. To do this, right-click the certificate and select Copy. Now navigate to the Personal folder, then the Certificates folder, and paste the certificate. Refresh the window so that you see the certificate with the key icon. This implies that the certificate is copied with the protection key. If you still cannot view the certificate in the Personal folder, please re-import the certificate into the Personal folder. Next, from the Start menu, launch the IIS Manager. Then open Server Certificates and you will see the certificate here as well. Now go back and select the Sites folder from the Connections panel on the left and then choose Tosca Server. Next, from the Actions pane on the right, under Edit Site, select Bindings. This will open the Site Bindings window where you need to select the predefined HTTPS binding and click Edit. Now, in the Edit Site Bindings pop-up, enter the hostname in the hostname field. You will find this specified in the Common Name Value or CN in the subject field of the SSL certificate. Next, in the SSL certificate option, select the valid SSL certificate from the drop-down list and finally click OK. You will now notice the hostname in the Site Bindings window. Click Close. Now, to adapt the SSL settings for the Tosca server in the IIS Manager, select the SSL Settings option. In the SSL Settings page, check the Require SSL box and click Apply from the Actions pane on the right to save the changes. You have now successfully imported the certificate and adapted it to the SSL settings. To learn how to insert the certificate thumbprint, please view the video link provided in the description. And if you would prefer to read and learn more about using Tosca Server with HTTPS binding, please do visit the manual link mentioned in this video description.